Many of you have asked for it. Today I'm going to make it. It's the lamb phall from my book, the Curry Guy Bible. Let's get going. So this one is spicy and I've got my ingredients all here ready to go. I got my lamb, that's tandoori lamb, which I cooked in the same way as I do the chicken in my air fryer. There's a recipe for that here on the channel. Got some Mr. Naga, 4 habanero chilies. Those might be Scotch bonnet. What are these? They're hot. And also a couple tablespoons of chili powder and some mixed powder, which is curry house style curry powder. I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of this. This one is silly hot. I haven't made this in a couple of years. Every now and then somebody says they want something really spicy, so I make it. But it's usually above what I'm prepared to eat anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and add about half of an onion there. And we're just going to add that to the pan. Let it fry for a couple minutes. A little bit of salt to that. And all we're doing here is we're softening the onions. Don't know why I'm going to such trouble to make sure everything's right, because I don't think anyone's going to eat it. I will give it a try though. I'm telling you, this is just crazy hot. It's the hottest I've ever experienced. Okay, to that I've got some regular bell peppers. So I'm just gonna put those in there as well, just to cook down with the onions. Give it a bit of texture as well, in case you want a little bit of texture in your very spicy phall. Okay, and to that I'm going to add the chilies. So this is going to start getting hot in here, I think. 4 Scotch bonnet chilies. Start frying those off as well. We're just going to let that sit there and sizzle for a while and fill the room with all their beautiful spice. In the meantime, I'm going to add a little bit of garlic and ginger paste to this. So a good tablespoon or so. Garlic and ginger paste. All of the ingredients in this recipe you will find in the description at the bottom of this page. That's looking really good now. All right, now we're gonna add some Mr. Naga. This is Naga chilies. And I'm going to get a nice big tablespoon of that. Why not? Let's go a little bit more. Stir that in as well. All right, now in goes the chili powder and the mixed powder. And as I add that, it's going to dry the pan up a bit. Just toast those ground spices a bit in there. And then we're going to add some tomato puree or some passata. Just a bit there. It's getting hard to talk. Okay, and I got my base sauce here. So we're going to put some base sauce in this. All right, so everyone in the room is beginning to feel it now. And we're just going to cook that right down over a high heat. And in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and add this lamb. This is going to be so spicy. Those fresh Scotch bonnet chilies really do spice it up. I'm just going to let that cook there. I don't need to stir from below because it won't burn. It only takes about 10 minutes to cook. I do want to scrape off any of the sides, any of the sauce that's caramelizing to the side of the pan. Just stir that back in for extra flavor. There we are. That's getting nice. You know what? I'm going to add a little bit more of this just because I want to. It's spicy. It's crazy. All right. Here we go. Finishing this off now. I'm going to add some cassoulet methi. Just rubbing it between my fingers over this delicious curry. A little bit more too. And of course, a little bit of salt to taste. I know how much salt I like. You might not when you're making this curry, so taste it and try it and decide how much you want to add. Don't know if you see this, but it's starting to caramelize around the side there. Scrape that right back in. And I've got some limes, which I'm going to add to the top of this when I serve it. This is looking spot on. There we are. Put a little garam masala on there. I don't know why I do that. I just do. Just add a little bit of warming spices to the spicy heat. And yeah, let's give this a try. Got my beer here in case I need it. I think I might. Everyone's holding their breath. Let's go.
Going down, what a trooper.
I'm gonna try. It's burning on my tongue.
I've never seen your face like that before.
That's spicy.
Oh God.
It's still lingering. I think my eyes are watering. All right, let's see what this looks like served up. This has to be one of the spiciest curries on the planet. If you think vindaloos are hot, try this. This is just like crazy. It's good though. It has a lot of flavor. Give it a try soon.